What's up, Shogun Clan? Today we're going to be showing you how to mix Shogun Start. Step 1. Pour plain water into your tank. Step 2. Take Shogun Start and shake well. Step 3. Add it at the recommended rate in the feed chart. Remember, mix well. Step 4. You can add Shogun Katana roots at this point as they work very well together, but if you don't have it, skip this step. Step 5. You want to add your propagation plugs and let them soak for 15 minutes. Step 6. Take your propagation plugs out and insert your seeds or clones into them. You can now use this solution to water those plugs at your discretion.